Hey guys, today I'll be playing more bee swarm, and I actually grinded enough to get a replica, and here it is right here. It gives me quite a lot of capacity, 150,000, and so yeah, now I'm gonna redeem my hive, and then I actually got a star jelly cause I've completed the goo quest thing, so you can. Like over here is a star jelly, so I'm gonna put it on one of my bees. Probably gonna be, let me see what bee I have the most of. It's probably the demon. It's actually shy bee, so I have to use this one star jelly on the shy bee over here. Transform shy bee, yes, and let's go. Oh come on, not a new one. It's gifted rascal bee. Or is it a new one? I don't know. Okay. We got gifted rascal bee. And let's go see how much royal jelly can get now from the free royal jelly thing. But I won't be getting it today, cause it takes 22 hours to complete. So I'll get it in the morning. I think it's 9. Yep, I got 9 different gifted bee type. And I can almost get this 10 on here. But I only get 9. And I actually grinded quite a lot. If I didn't buy any of the guards, I would have gotten 120 million already. And then I could have gotten the thing. And I can just come here and get this. Yeah, I actually recommend you to buy photon bee if you ever want to buy a bee. Because photon bee is so strong and it has unlimited energy. And wait, did I just get a royal jelly from the spout? Okay, this is quite rare. At least for me. Oh, we just missed that royal jelly. Okay, so now let's just go get this thing and go kill the mobs. And maybe if you're lucky, find a vicious bee on the way. And so here is the Riley Guard stats. A piece of the armor forged by the leader of the Red Beast. It gives it's on the left shoulder of your character. It gives you 25% more red pollen, 150,000 capacity space, 10% more defense, 8% more critical chance, and 2 more red bee attack. And so yeah. And I wonder how much the mask costs. It's like so expensive. 100. It take forever for me to get this or any mask. So yeah, it's just wow, this guy, good job on getting your hive so good. And actually, I have a second account which I just started on today for bee swarm, and I'm gonna show you what I got on that account for my first royal jelly right now. So now we're gonna be playing on my lame account for a while, and as you can see right here, I'm gonna claim this hive, and I actually have a diamond bee for my first royal jelly. And so yeah, I have 2 stubborn bees, 1 shock bee and a basic bee. And I'm like so happy I got this diamond bee. I don't even have this on my main account, and I got it on this account. Like, what are the chances? And I also didn't go to the 5B area yet. Like, I'm quite slow at progressing on this account because I just started here on this account. And I definitely can't kill King Beetle on this account. That's too strong for me. And now I'm just gonna let the bees attack the ladybug. And now my shock bee level up to level 3. And I can go to Panda Bear now. Oh wow, this guy is fast. He has the boots. So now I have to defeat 2 rhino beetles right here. Easy. I mean, my bees are not the one doing anything. It's the other person's bee. But in the end, I'm still the one that gets the rewards. So thank you to that person, whoever you are. Let me up. Yes, I made it. I think the new one is spider maybe. Oh, ladybugs and rhino beetles. I probably do not have time to do that one. But maybe I do. What just happened? Oh my god, they just killed the spider. Why do you do that? I didn't want that to happen. But since they did, now I have to get the rewards. Cause I know that there's a quest that you need to kill the spider once. And so yeah, I guess I will not be able to do that quest in today's episode. And let's just go back to the hive. And so yeah, you guys can tell me what to buy in the comments. Like, to upgrade. Or I can just get some royal jelly. Or something. Like, what should I buy in the shop? I actually don't know what to buy. I can buy anything. I think I can buy anything. Maybe I can buy some boots. Okay, I can't buy the boots. Or helmet. I mean the helmet. Or the boots. But I feel like buying it. And so yeah, you guys can decide what to buy. And now I'm just gonna go to a sunflower field and try to get some sunflower seeds, which I actually do not have any of. I only have 1 blueberry and 5 treats. And I can get blueberries from the blue flower field. So that's where I'm gonna go in the next video. For now, I'm just trying to get at least one of the, Did I get any badges yet? Oh, I actually don't have any. Sad life. Oh, this guy is lucky. Super lucky. Now I can, like, so as the blue legendary diamond bee. Like, it's quite cool. Oh my god, sparkle, sparkle, sparkle. Just get it. Yes. That means the sunflower in the face. Whenever it sparkles, it's a face. And so yeah, we're done with that now. And then now we're gonna complete this quest. Like this part of the quest. 1000 pollen. No, bag is full. And so yeah, tell me in the comments what should I buy for this account. Like my noob account. And so yeah, I hope to see you guys next time and bye.